Hi, Health Volunteers, it's Carly. Welcome back. This session is Leaves and Cones. It's pretty fun. I learned a lot actually doing this one. So this is intro to conclusion. As usual, we have the handouts. It has some questions that you can ask the kids about leaves and pine cones. We're going to be talking about photosynthesis. We're going to be talking about a lot about leaf design, shapes, colors, patterns, and then pine cones and how they work and the differences and what they look like. We have two puppet shows. One is a leaf focused puppet show. It talks about photosynthesis, which is probably kind of complicated for the littler students, but it goes through it and there's a song, so it makes it super fun. I do recommend that you review some terms with the littler kids before the puppet show. CO2, H2O, O2. I included some definitions. You guys can talk about what those things are so they understand in the puppet show. The other puppet show is a cone puppet show. The other things you can do for introduction, obviously there'll be some books in the box, and then we have a demonstration where you take an open pine cone. There will be a huge box of pine cones in the elf closet, but I will also ask that your volunteers bring in pine cones if they have them, if you have a bunch in your backyard, because I don't know that I'll be able to have enough for the entire thing. Anyway, the introduction demonstration, you take an open pine cone and you talk about what will happen when you put it in a jar of water. Put it in the jar of water. And then at the end, at conclusion, you will take a look. It closes. And the reason for that is it's an adaptation so that the seeds don't get washed away in the rain, so that they only release the seeds when it's dry, so they are more likely to fly and get far away from the tree so they can get all the sun and resources they need. So that is introduction. We'll talk about conclusion in another video. Thanks so much.